Hey there, fitness enthusiasts! Welcome back to another exciting episode where we dive deep into the world of fitness and muscle growth. Today I'm diving into a topic that's often overlooked but super crucial for achieving those well-rounded leg muscles, calf growth. Yes, those small but mighty muscles that can make a big difference in your overall leg aesthetics. That's right, we're talking about those stubborn calves that just don't seem to grow no matter what you do. It can be incredibly frustrating to put in the effort and not see the results you want. So, why are so many of us struggling with calf development? Is it something we're doing wrong, or is there more to the story? Well, for starters, many people simply neglect their calves in their training routines. It's not uncommon to see people focusing on other leg muscles while completely ignoring their calves. It's easy to focus on quads and hamstrings, but calves? They often get left behind. This neglect can lead to imbalances and a lack of overall leg development. Let's get into why this is such a common issue. Understanding the problem is the first step to solving it. The calves are comprised of two main muscles, the gastrocnemius and the soleus. These muscles work together to provide strength and stability to your lower legs. The gastrocnemius is the larger muscle that gives the calf its shape, while the soleus lies underneath it. Both muscles need to be targeted for full development. Properly training both is essential for full calf development. Neglecting one can lead to incomplete growth and weaker calves. You might be thinking, but I do train my calves and they still don't grow. This is a common frustration among many fitness enthusiasts. Well, here's the deal. Genetics play a big role in calf size. Some people are naturally blessed with thicker calves, while others have to work much harder to see gains. Some people naturally have thicker calves, while others have to work much harder to see gains. But don't get discouraged. There are strategies to overcome this genetic hurdle. There are ways to overcome this challenge. With the right approach and mindset, you can achieve the calf growth you desire. First off, let's talk training techniques. The way you train your calves can make a significant difference in your results. The secret to unlocking calf muscle growth lies in progressive overload. This means gradually increasing the weight and intensity of your calf exercises over time. It's important to challenge your muscles to stimulate growth. You can't expect growth if you're using the same weights and reps every week. Variety is also key. Mixing up your exercises can prevent plateaus and keep your muscles guessing. Mix it up with different exercises like standing calf raises, seated calf raises, and donkey calf raises. Each exercise targets different parts of the calf muscles, ensuring a more complete workout. Remember, consistency is crucial. Without regular training, you won't see the results you're aiming for. Make sure to train your calves regularly, just like you would any other muscle group. Consistency is the key to long-term success. So to sum it up, the key points are, don't neglect your calves, understand the anatomy and role of genetics, use progressive overload, vary your exercises, and be consistent. These principles will guide you towards achieving those impressive calf muscles. Calf growth takes time and patience, but with the right approach, you'll start seeing those gains. It's a journey, not a sprint, so stay committed. If you found these tips helpful, give them a try and let me know how they work for you in the comments. Your feedback is valuable and helps us create better content. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more fitness content and share your progress. We're here to support each other on this fitness journey. Keep pushing and those calves will grow. Remember, every rep counts and every effort brings you closer to your goal. Catch you in the next video. Stay strong and keep working towards your fitness goals.